Does your body feel stiff during cold weather? Cold weather causes your muscles to tighten and your joints to become less flexible. Blood vessels constrict your core warmth, reducing circulation to your hands, feet, and muscles. That's why many people wake up feeling stiff, sore, and less mobile during cold season. Original Hot Yoga, the Human Garage, Therapy, Healing, Rejuvenation, and Transformation Center uses therapeutic infrared heat to warm your muscles from inside out, allowing you to stretch safely and deeply. Better circulation delivers more oxygen throughout your body, helping reduce stiffness while improving flexibility, compression, and joint mobility. Instead of letting the cold slow you down, use it as an opportunity to invest in your health, beauty, wellness, and overall fitness by practicing Original Hot Yoga at Delight Hot Yoga, supported and guided by our qualified, certified, and advanced Original Hot Yoga instructors. We have affordable and pocket-friendly membership packages in beginners introductory offer of Kenya shillings 8,000 for 30 days unlimited sessions. A session for Kenya shillings 2,500. 12 classes for Kenya shillings 3,000 for 10 days consecutively. A pair at 12,000 for 21 days. A group of 6 and above for Kenya shillings 2,000 each for one single session. Visitors week at 8,000. Private classes from 8,000 per session. Class card payment method for people busy working and traveling schedules. We are open to any interested party regardless of age, gender, religion, educational level, or disability. We are open daily from Monday to Friday. We have 6 a.m., 8 a.m., 10 a.m., 5 p.m. and 7 p.m. Saturday we have 8 a.m., 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. Sundays and public holidays we have 10 and 4 p.m. We are located inside Lavington Mall, 4th floor, at Cafe Restaurant, Lavington Wing, and Lounge Gym, Shuru Road. Heal on the mat with professionals. Namaste.